Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making ginger water. Hope you enjoy. Before we get started though, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Now to make this drink you'll need the following: some ginger, lemons, brown sugar and some water. The equipment that you'll need is a grater, a sieve, measuring jug and a tablespoon.
Okay, let's go.
The first thing you're going to do is start by grating the ginger. Don't worry about peeling the skin on the ginger, this can also be grated. Now your ginger is ready for the next part of the process. The next step is to put a sieve over the measuring jug. Add all the ginger into the sieve. Add around a third of the water into the sieve over the ginger. Using a spoon, strain the ginger pieces over the sieve. Add some more water over the ginger and carry out the same process. Add the remaining water over the ginger. Then use a spoon to strain the remaining ginger. Remove the sieve from the jug. Once you've done this, you're going to use half the lemon and squeeze the juice into the ginger water. And stir the ingredients together. You're now going to add the sugar into the juice. Using a spoon, stir the juice until all the sugar has dissolved. Adding sugar to the juice is totally optional. You can have it without it. Let me know what you think. Now the ginger water is ready to drink. And enjoy. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share below. Hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you very soon.